Okay, guys, this that you will see now is not a video. This is, you will see what I think. So I'm going to talk to myself, so you will see what is in my mind. So now how can this be 220 volts? This small light is 220 volt because it come from a 3-point. So I want to check if a 12 volt battery can light up this bulbs, and then I know. I want to take this out. I think solder 2 wires on there. It's 220 volt. 220, it's not 12. Okay. I think this 3 bulbs that came out of this plug is neon lights. I think this is neon globes, because this is a neon globe, and this came out of my test light. Which was it had a neon light in, and I put a LED in. So, and this was 220 volt. It's a 220 volt tester, and this was on a 220 volt plug, and there is a resistor for the neon. And on the PC board, I think I've seen a resistor as well. There it is. So it's in the circuit for the 3 lights that burn there, and there, depend on what is wrong and right with the plug. Okay, so what can I do with this? I can repair now my fridge. I can just put one of these in my fridge. Even this one, which got already a resistor on. So this is a plan what I can do. Okay. I make a lens for my fridge. Check if the neon light fit in here. Great. 100%. Let check if this fit in the freezer. You must increase that hole a little bit. Okay, see if it fit. Perfect. Okay, test it quickly. Okay. Okay, put it all together back. Okay, job well done, Jan.